So today I'll be showing you how to pair your Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, second generation, to your Android phone. Now, when the headphones are on and in pairing mode, you may or may not see this. Okay, so since this is not available for all Android phones, I'm going to close that and show you the where you can connect any Android phone. So that's going to settings, connections, and then Bluetooth. So you want to make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices. Now you put your Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra in Bluetooth pairing mode, and to do that you press this button for about 5 seconds, maybe 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, until you see this blue light blinking. Okay, once it's blinking like that, it means they're in pairing mode. So your device, when you scan, should detect the headphones, and you can tap on pair and then confirm you want to pair, and they're gonna get paired and connected. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.